Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Typeform embed code for Shopify website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and embed one of your Typeforms onto your Shopify website. How do you actually get your embed code? Now, first you want to log on to Typeform. Then click on the form which you want to get the embed code for. Then click on Share. Then on the left-hand side, you're going to see Embed on a web page. Click on that. Then click on New Embed here. Then click on Start Embedding. Now this is the drop-down menu and you can select Shopify. Click on Copy the code, and this is your embed code that you can place into your Shopify website. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.